Hello, my name is Scott. Today we're taking a look at VEVOR's. This is their dock ladder. This is what it comes in. It comes in pieces wrapped around. Of course, it came in a box as well. We're going to go ahead and set this up. So for these pieces right here, turn it up like this. Peel back this white layer on the black steps. So peel this off and lay it on here. Match up the screw holes so it's going to go like this. Okay, then you take this piece here and you place these steps on like this and you put bolts down through. This is not going to be one of those things where you just instantly put it together really fast. It's going to be time consuming. But just give yourself 30 minutes to an hour and a half and you guys will be good. Alright guys, so this is the step. Now we didn't put the top bars on because we are actually going to be using this for another project. But it is sturdy, it is strong. As you guys can see here, we are 210 pounds and it can easily handle us. Obviously what I'm doing, don't do it at home. But nice, sturdy, strong, easily do what you need. And this is what it will look like when it's almost done.